Okay, hello again, Mushroom. Hi. Oh, you're mute. Open your mic. All right. Okay. Hello. Can you hear me well? Hello, Mushroom.
Yes,
Okay, can
hello.
you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you well.
Okay. So the orange backpack, the school clock. Very good. All right, you get the correct answer. Okay. Okay, the cow and the seat. Okay, this one. The cow.
Hey,
Here.
the cow is not. The
Oh,
cow is yellow.
okay, the cow is yellow and there's also a cow is color brown. There
Where?
is color brown and color yellow. Okay?
But I cannot see the picture.
Yeah, but there is also a cow color brown in
Oh,
real
you just say
life.
see the picture.
Okay. Can you do this?
Do what?
Can you do this all like me?
Do what?
Like this. Oh, what's that?
What's that?
That's that. Okay, this one. Okay, let's say, okay, can you please read this one? Round. Okay,
Round.
I just made.
Oh, we didn't say.
Okay, brown clouds
Round cloud.
and brown
Brown town.
cows. Right. So you are going
Now hound.
okay, you are
Town.
going to read these all words here. Are you ready? Okay. Number one. The first one is, oh, you're going to read this
Brown.
one. Yes, brown. Okay,
Clown.
can you say it again? Round,
Round.
cloud,
Cloud.
round,
Brown.
cloud.
Cow.
Now,
No.
how about this one?
Cows.
And the last one?
Cow.
Okay. Again, please read.
Round. Cloud. Brown.
Yes,
Cow. Now. House. Town.
yes. Good job. Good pronunciation. All right. I think, all right. That's all for today's lesson. Mushroom. Okay, so but before we leave in this class, we're going to have a review first, okay?
Leave the class.
No, it's review. Okay, what was our lesson? It's all about
Hello again.
what was our lesson? It's all about
It's all about hello again.
yes, hello again.
Again.
Okay. Okay, can you read this one? Round.
Round.
How about that?
Cloud.
Again?
Cow. House. Round.
This one?
Cow.
Okay, can you read it again?
Town.
Round.
Round, cloud, brown, town, noun, house, town.
Good job. All right.
Or
So,
owl.
yes. So today we finish our lesson about hello again, right?
So the next
So,
time we will
I
do
am
the
going,
next.
yes, I am going to send you a homework in our GC. Is that okay for you? We're going to answer your homework. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
All right. So I think that's all for today. Mushroom.
So you
Good.
will send my homework to my
Yeah.
mom.
Yes, in our GC. I will send the
And the
homework.
next time you see me, I will need to do the homework.
Yeah. Okay.
And if I not do,
I will tell your mother.
miss, but if I didn't do,
I will tell your mother. You
uh,
need to do that. You need to answer that one.
okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Good night. See you next
Bye
time.
bye.
See you next time, Mushroom.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, there's a plant in your forehead. Okay. Hey, where's your sister?
Oh yeah.
Okay, can I see your sister?
Okay, let Aya say her.
Okay.
Xong rồi cô kêu cho coi tìm. Here, she's here.
Okay, let's
You're
play
the
hide and seek. Hi, hi, little girl. What is your name?
Hello này.
What is your name? My
Hello này.
name. Okay, what is your name?
Hello này.
My
Nói
name.
đi. My name is. Nói
My
đàng
name
hoàng coi.
is.
Yes.
Okay, can we play hide and seek?
Yes.
Okay.
She
So,
can play, but she can speak English with my teacher is in Philippines too, but she just pretend that she didn't know anything.
okay.
Hơi chưa dạy lắm đó Hơi.
I think
Tôi
she's
dạy
learning.
là cái buồn. Goodbye.
Oh, can we play first hide and seek? Bye bye. Good night. Good
Bye.
night. Good
Good
night, the two of
night.
you. Bye bye.
Goodbye. Awesome. Rồi đi ra.
Hey. Oh, I'm hiding.
Kéo ra. Mà cô chưa ao. Oh, where are you going?
I'm hiding. Fine, teacher.
I just see you.
Oh.
I see you already. Wait, I can do this one. Đợi xíu nha, đi với con gì? Con 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 này. Ok, look. Có xong rồi. Wait. I can notice.
Oh,
Hello. Hello,
hello.
Ida. This is my sister. Mở mồm to ra. Thè lưỡi ra.
Cute. Dinda. Ơn sao anh mình nè. Thích của các bạn.
Mẹ ơi, cô vẫn siêu A mà cô bé bay rồi.
Ừ, ừ.
Dạ, cô vẫn ngồi đó nè.
Sige, gusto niya. Magkawin.
Oh,
Ha?
goodbye.
Aman. Wala pa naman ako na.
Goodbye,
Yeah.
teacher.
Tapos, ano, nag-in.